Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Dodge Avenger. First, park the working vehicle close enough for the jumper cables to reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. Turn off both cars and engage their parking brakes. It's crucial to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential battery acid or sparks. Always inspect both batteries for cracks or leaks before proceeding. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take one red clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of the dead Dodge Avenger battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Dodge Avenger, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, start the engine of the working vehicle. Let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your Dodge Avenger's battery. After this time, try to start your Dodge Avenger. If it successfully starts, great. Carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them, starting with the black clamp from the Dodge Avenger. After your Dodge Avenger starts, drive it for at least 20 minutes to allow the alternator to fully recharge the battery. If your car struggles to start again, it might be time to have your battery or charging system inspected by a professional. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keeping a reliable set of jumper cables in your vehicle is always a smart move for unexpected situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.